Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you two different ways to prepare asparagus. Now, you probably have heard of the first one, right? It involves taking your asparagus and just snapping it, holding it at both ends and just snapping it. Well, the problem with that is you actually get a lot of asparagus that's still edible. You'll see on an asparagus spear, towards the end, this actually is a bad example, let me get a different one. Towards the end, it gets kind of white, right? And that's where it gets really, really woody. So that's really the only part that you need to break off from the asparagus. So if you want to use the snap method, don't grab it at the ends, just grab it towards the actual one side where it's really woody and just try to bend it there, because you really can snap it anywhere. It's not a super effective way to do it. So you can just do that. That works a lot better and doesn't waste as much asparagus. Now the method that I prefer is actually just cutting it. Like I said, if you look at the asparagus, you have the green part and then you have the purplish kind of woody part towards the end. You can line up your asparagus, a bunch of spears at once, and just take your knife and cut that off. The thing that's great about that method is I think you actually waste a lot less asparagus. So that's how you chop asparagus two different ways. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. And if you like to cook like I do, then subscribe. I release new videos every single week. And if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. I'll see you guys next time.